Hi everyone, good evening. So today I'm trying to discuss this problem which everyone have faced in past or currently you are facing this issue. Like uh, you have uploaded the file of your video in full HD, which is 1080p, but when you just upload it and if you check it, it just shows that it's 360p, or let me just stop it and show you. When you open the file and check it, that it's not in full HD, but it's either 360p, 480 or 720. I will recommend just give it a time, half an hour or 1 hour. It happened with me same. When I uploaded the file, it just showed me 360p and I freaked out and I was about to delete it. Don't delete it, don't freak out. Just wait for half an hour or max 1 hour. It will show you first 720p or it might show you 1080p directly. You take some minutes for YouTube to process your video, your pixels, so that it can turn your whole video to 720 or 1080p to the full resolution, or 4K. Even sometimes for the 4K it takes 2 hours or more than that. It all depends on the length of the total video, 1 hour or so. So don't panic at all. Thanks very much for watching this video. Was it helpful for you? Do let me know in comment section below. Please do like it or dislike it, or comment what was good or bad. Thanks very much. Bye.